Hi there, I got a review for Meterteck for their electric meter, and these are good to test your plugins, make sure they're working properly. Sometimes when one goes out, there's more go out, then you have to go find the other ones go out, so there should like be another, like a main one or something hooked up to the same outlet thing. You have to replace another one when one goes out, and it's really easy to do to test. It has really sharp needles on them and long, and you turn it on. It has a light, a LCD blue light on it, and then when you got your reading, you push hold to read it, and it comes with an instruction booklet and an extra cords with it. It's really nice when you need to do some electric work around your house. And thank you for listening. Bye.